Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on an Ace push mower. It has a 3.5 Briggs and Stratton engine on it. As you can see by the muffler, it's just choking itself out really bad. So we're gonna take the carburetor apart and check out the diaphragm and see if we can't get this running again. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, we'll go ahead and pop the air filter off here. And there's supposed to be a 3/8 inch head bolt that goes in the front that goes in the tank. And I see they got a little machine screw in here. You need that 1/4 inch bolt in here to keep the everything all lined up with that plastic intake tube. I see the threads are all stripped out of that. And this back one here, that's a 1/2 inch. And there's a little spacer behind that too. We can't lose that spacer. Here's that little spacer that goes behind that gas tank there. And I can see what the problem is. It looks like right now where the shaft of the butterfly goes in the carburetor. It's all wobbled out. These are all plastic carburetors. So I think I'm just gonna put a different carburetor on that one, just plain wore out. Let me go find the carburetor. We'll continue on with this. After further inspection, and I took the gas cap off the tank, and the tank was all rusty too. So on my shelf, my old Briggs and Stratton stuff, I found a brand new old stock gas tank and carb. It's new, but it's like 20 years old. So we're just gonna throw this on here and see what it does. Take this old boot off here. I'm gonna put this spacer between the tank and the engine block here. And they got a real bolt for the front of the tank. Here's what they had in there before, because they stripped out the threads in the gas tank there. Okay, we got that on there. There's a broken spring on here. We'll find the spring real quick for that. Okay, now we'll put a. Oh, I gotta put that spring on first. There's already one spring on here, but I suppose this one here probably helps prevent surges, I suppose. I'll probably have to readjust this. You can move this here back and forth to adjust the fast idle on that, so we'll have to readjust that when we get it running. The beans is running so rich. We're gonna change plugs on it real quick too. Sometimes in plastic carburetors, after a while, they just wear out. Then there's like a one-way valve in there. It looks like a BB. Sometimes them BBs fall out of there and they'll run really rich like that too. Okay, well, all I gotta do now is put some fuel in it, take it off the table, and we'll see if it can't get it started. Okay, I put some premium fuel in there. It says push the primer button 3 times. Well, it seems to run a lot better than it did before, just poofing out black smoke. So, you can, on them plastic carburetors like that, you buy diaphragms for them, but if they're wore out, it's best to replace them. You can buy them online, eBay or Amazon or something for probably under $10, $15, I imagine. Anyways, appreciate you watching the video, and you have a good afternoon. Bye.